Welcome back to The Great. My name is Zay and today is day 9. We are talking about warm tones versus cool tones. And I have a perfect example for us right here. So I'm going to play this video out for you. I don't know if you caught on to it already, but the warm tones generally set the mood for like a calmer safety feeling. Cool tones give you that tension. And so what you're trying to figure out with warm tones and cool tones is, what is this video trying to make you feel? And so as you see here in this scene, the character is happy, he's having a good time, he's enjoying his dinner. But then as we go forward a little bit, the tone shifts from being warm to cool. And you can see he's tense, he's stressed. We don't know what happened. We just know from the visual language and the character, this image would not hit the same if it was a warmer tone. I'm gonna just show you here, it doesn't hit the same. And so that's because the messaging is different. And so when you have that warm tone, think about what kind of feeling you're trying to make your image have, what kind of feeling you're trying to portray to the viewer. Thank y'all for watching. It was day 9 of the grade. Tune in for day 10 where we're talking about how to create that moody, dark look. Peace.